I'm Vijay, mechatronics engineer, open source hardware hacker, and the founder of Fracktal. Welcome to my course on innovative engineering. When I was a kid, there was one cartoon that really inspired me. I loved Dexter's Laboratory. Making and engineering was his superpower, and I wanted to build things that saved the world as well. My own journey as a technology entrepreneur led me to do things I never imagined doing, taking me all across the world. I even set up the world's first 3D printed wind turbine in Antarctica and built technology for the visually impaired. And I've been sharing these designs open source so anybody in the world can recreate them. I've applied myself to building things that solve problems all around me. But the world sure could use more innovators. So we've put together a 30-day learning experience where we teach you everything we know and give you a running start at becoming an innovator and bring your ideas to life. I take you through the process that some of the best engineers across the world use to identify problems worth solving and break them down into the most fundamental elements that then dictate the development process. I'll be sharing with you the tools and systems I personally use to manage complicated projects here at Fracktal. Follow along as I teach you the range of skills I've picked up that draw on multiple disciplines of engineering, science and design, along with real-world examples of how I've been using them across projects. From electronics in code, building mechanical systems, user interfaces, Internet of Things, and even 3D printing and 3D design. All these skills and tools will come together to build products rapidly. And finally, I'll be teaching you aspects of storytelling and presentation. How you could communicate your idea with others and get people to care about what you've built. And by far the coolest part of all of this is that you will be engineering your own original build alongside me. The best way to learn is by doing, and this class is completely hands-on. Throughout the course, you'll be working on a problem that affects you. It could be anything from building a device for somebody who is disabled, automating growing a garden, or even cooking you breakfast at the touch of a button because you'll be so busy saving the world after this. This is a new kind of interactive online class in which my team and I, along with all the other students in the course, will be sharing feedback on your build and make sure you get the support you need. To know something about everything and everything about something. This is the mantra I believe we need to apply if we are to be relevant innovators in years to come. At the end of the course, you will have a skill set that spans mechanical design, fabrication, electronics and programming that will give you a bird's eye view to solve any engineering and design problem as well as a personal build of your own. Committing to this course will give you the structure, tools and guidance required to convert your ideas into a fully functional, one-of-a-kind build of your own, as well as skills that will serve you for the rest of your life. So join me on this course on innovative engineering. Join me in creating the future.